course, till the time you're audible.
Hello guys, welcome to Moonlight. I'm Prithvi Basu Kapoor.
I'm Shreyash Gupta.
So I would like to start with an introduction. India is an agricultural country, and agriculture is the backbone of the economy. To make sure it flourishes, and to make sure it's sustainable and eco-friendly.
So the big problem here is that most of the packaging products, such as plastic or maybe cardboard, it takes a lot of time to disintegrate properly. So not only does that cause harm to the environment, but it also not only does it cause harm. Yeah, and the waste becomes clustered and leads to landfill, becoming a common sight in India.
And our product mostly appeals the agriculture industry and consumer usage. The agriculture industry is of approximately 3,10,000 crores, and the biodegradable industry is approximately of 1,700 crores.
Our product is about using cow dung acquired from aging cows and make a mixture which is soil enriched from cardboard manufacturing industries containing microbiota, hydrolysis, and this will cause the cardboard to degenerate quicker and then not cause harm to the environment.
So the people affected by our company are mostly packaging and delivering companies such as Amazon and Flipkart, and also the government, because we help in reducing landfill sites. We are also assisting farmers and agriculture, as our mixture can also be is a natural manure that can help fertilize the top layer of soil called the humus.
What have we done so far? Well, we have done the research that shows that our product is unique and has potential to sell worldwide. Moreover, we have also done the research and found a test lab in which we can do R&D in Gurugram. And then we have also interviewed a microbiologist and a biochemist, Dr. Hema, in IIT campus only, and she told us that she told us that how to make this product and what's the science behind it.
So after researching, we have found that mostly rural products are made from cow dung and not much of packaging. So that's why our product is awesome, as it's one of its kind and also helps in saving Mother Earth.
How will we make money? Now we aim to make income by selling our products to major agro-tech industries such as Adani and Reliance, etc.
Now it's Q&A. If you want to ask any questions.
So I didn't get your product instead of guys.
I'm so sorry. So a product is basically a mixture which is supposed to help the cardboard. Like there's a lot of, like, if we say plastic wise, a lot of cardboard which cause a lot of harm to our environment, especially Mother Earth. So basically we are making.
How does cardboard harm?
So basically, it takes a long time to degrade. So we are creating a mixture which increases the degradation process of the cardboard.
What is the product that's still not here?
The product is a mixture which helps us increase the degradation rate of
It's a decomposing agent.
Yeah, composing agent.
Decomposing.
What is that mixture?